Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update WooCommerce orders using ShipStation. Easy tutorial step by step. First, log in to your ShipStation account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Orders tab on the left sidebar. Select all orders from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of all your orders. Find the WooCommerce orders you want to update. You can use the search bar for quicker access. Click on the order you wish to update. On the Order Details page, locate the Shipping Information section. Here, you can update the shipping carrier and service if needed. If you need to add tracking information, look for the Add Tracking button. Enter the tracking number and select the appropriate shipping method. After entering the tracking information, hit Save. Next, to update the order status, scroll to the Order Status section. Choose the new status from the drop-down menu. Make sure to review all changes before finalizing. Finally, click on the Update Order button to apply all changes. Your WooCommerce order is now updated in ShipStation. Repeat these steps for any additional orders you wish to update. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.